Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I saw in the comments it's been a few weeks back because I just always never make any promises, but I keep a lookout when I know people are looking for something. Someone had commented that they were looking for jobs that provided the computer equipment, as they did not have a computer, but they wanted to work from home. So in today's video, I have 3 different jobs that are all providing the computer you need to work from. I have some data entry. I have some customer support that's mostly email, text with only occasional phone worked in. So hopefully I have a little bit of something for everyone. As always, if you're trying to get to any of the pages that I'm sharing, there's a link in the YouTube description box that says all jobs can be found here. That goes to a page on my website that lists everything in order in which I shared it. It links the Glassdoor pages, it links the application pages, it gives you a summary of the job. All the information you need is going to be right there. And real quickly, before we dive in, I do just want to say, I'm going to mention it in every one of my videos this week. Next week, July 1st through the 5th, I will not be posting any job leads, none on my website and none on YouTube either. I am taking a vacation. I am going to be spending time with my family, but I will be back. I believe the next Monday is like July 8th. I will be back with job leads, so hopefully we find some good ones this week. So diving right on in, we have the company RidePanda. Now, RidePanda does not have a lot of reviews from past and current employees. They only have 6 reviews, so please do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Out of those 6 reviews, though, they have a very high employee satisfaction rating of 4.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote customer support specialist. Now, all the jobs I'm sharing in this video are going to be remote work from home for the United States. Their customer support, though, is only going to be occasional phone work. Now, RidePanda is trying to help create the world happier with more efficient towns and cities that run small, quiet, eco-friendly electric vehicles. So think like those scooters and e-bikes and pedal bikes and different things that you can rent. They're looking for somebody to handle questions and address concerns between their RidePanda and their riders and their program partners. So you're going to be answering these questions and concerns through email and text, and it says and sometimes phone. So that phone is only going to be occasional. Most of this is either going to be through email or through text. You're providing the knowledge and support related to their e-vehicle offerings, helping riders make the most informed decision and resolve any related queries to the e-vehicles that they have. You're also just going to be collecting rider feedback as part of their Voice of the Customer program. So they are looking for somebody who wants to help people, who has experience helping customers, so customer service experience. They would like somebody who has a passion or knowledge for e-vehicles, somebody who can learn quickly, and someone has a collaborative spirit. You're working together, you can work as a team, and you've got great problem-solving skills. Now, pay is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. Now, this next one is one of the ones that is going to provide the computer equipment for you. The company is called Anywhere. They are Anywhere Real Estate. They have 93 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a transaction processor. Now, this company does play a key role in Coldwell Banker's agent services, so you're going to be working with Coldwell Banker. Now, it does say it's 100% remote. You do have to have stable internet connection, but they're going to provide the laptop and any other equipment you need to do the job, so all of that is provided for you. And they are just looking for somebody to review and upload documentation for proper recording and placement in the system. You're going to manage the intake of new transactions in their system, completing change or correction requests from those branch offices in a timely manner, just meeting all expectations that are set. One thing to note is they are looking for somebody to work overtime as needed. They do want somebody who has an associate's degree or equivalent work experience. If you have real estate or mortgage industry experience, that's a plus. It's not required, though. You do have to know how to use a computer. Those Microsoft Office systems have great communication skills, great organizational skills. Now, pay is listed all the way down at the bottom. It says market minimum salary is 20 and market maximum salary is 22. I do believe that is hours, so $20 an hour to $22 an hour. Moving right along, next up we have Cash App hiring. Cash App probably needs no introduction. They have 225 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an account access, identity, and control fraud specialist. And again, employees can work remotely from home. They are basically looking for somebody to identify and review suspicious activity that's been flagged by their internal tool through customer escalations, just investigating it, problem solving it, and checking to see if the activity is fraudulent. So you're reviewing and action accounts in accordance with company's policies and procedures. You're investigating, monitoring, and then escalating any potentially high risk or fraudulent activity that's related to customers' accounts or transactional activity. Just managing and responding to the incoming claims and that is impacting the customers, making sure that these customers' accounts are in compliance with operational and regulatory obligations. So you're really just monitoring all these transactions and accounts and trying to pinpoint where you see risky behavior and just make sure no accounts are committing fraud. They do want somebody who has 1 to 2 years experience in the financial services industry. So if you've ever worked in a bank teller, things like that, that might be perfect for you to get out of that traditional workspace and into the work from home. Now, they do prefer somebody who has fraud experience, but that's not required. They are looking for somebody, though, who has moderate knowledge of banking policies, procedures, and like government regulations. Now, pay is going to be dependent on your location and where you live in the United States. The lowest pay is $22.15 an hour, with the highest pay being $29.60 an hour. Now, these next 2 jobs that I'm going to share are providing you the computer equipment you need to do the job. The first one is Cardinal Health. They have 4,700 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a patient navigator. So they are looking for somebody to deliver virtual or telephone education support to their patients, caregivers, and healthcare professionals. You're basically going to be answering any questions that come in from patients or care partners, acting as that point of contact. So this is going to be like a customer support role. You're going to just understand the patient's needs and deliver them the information that they need so that they can have a tailored, seamless experience. So you're just providing the guidance that they need for their patient support program that Cardinal Health is offering. You're going to be helping them know what they need for patient out-of-pocket barriers. Like if they have copays and deductibles on their insurance, you're just giving them all the information they need to carry out their care. Just kind of helping them navigate their treatment plan. So you'll be responsible for addressing any medical information inquiries that come from them too. So you might have to work with their healthcare providers to get additional information from them. So you're just providing intake documentation, submissions of all reported product complaints, manufacturer complaints, patient complaints. Because this is in the healthcare field, you're going to have to follow those HIPAA guidelines. Now, they are looking for somebody who has 0 to 2 years of experience. While they prefer a college degree or bachelor degree, it's not required. They do prefer somebody who has previous like social work experience. But if not, you need to know like medical terminology, worked somewhere in the healthcare field where it's been like office registration, administration, claims processing, something like that. And of course, you have to be good with a computer. Now, it does say they're providing you with the computer technology and equipment you need. You just need your own internet connection. Pays anywhere from $26.20 an hour up to $37.40 an hour. Another one providing computer equipment is going to be Sutherland, and this is going to be another healthcare type related role. Now, please know a lot of healthcare companies, like 99% of them, are going to give you the computer equipment you need just because of HIPAA guidelines and those federal laws. You can't be doing a lot of downloading and personal things on a computer where you're also accessing a patient's information, because it makes it more likely to get hacked. So just know a lot of healthcare companies are going to provide you that computer equipment. But Sutherland has 9,900 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. They are looking for remote health claims specialists. Now, they don't really say a whole lot about the job and what you're going to be doing, other than it's a health claims specialist, and you're going to be showcasing your customer service and data entry skills as part of their growing healthcare team, being involved in those claims adjudication, supporting by phone, email, and chat. So it kind of sounds like you're going to be like billing and follow-up for health claims. You're going to make sure the information, the patient's information is in the system correctly, their insurance information is in there, and then if the claims are not paid by the insurance company, you'll follow up with the insurance company to find out why. They only require health or health insurance claims experience, knowledge of medical terminology, and some medical office type experience. And they want somebody who can type 40 words per minute. They don't have a lot of requirements, and they pay a little bit on the lower end. Pay is only guaranteed at $13.50 an hour. They say they offer monthly incentives up to $1,500 a month. If you got additional $1,500 a month plus your $13.50 an hour, that would make it decent pay. But again, just throwing it out there because this one does provide all the computer equipment you need as long as you have your own internet access. Now, if data entry is your thing, this one might be for you. The company is Natera. They have 860 reviews with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. And they are looking for a data entry clerk. They are looking for somebody to maintain their database by doing data entry, just entering new and updated customer information and insurance information into their system. So you're basically going to prepare the source data for computer entry by compiling and sorting the information and kind of establishing the entry priorities. What is most important that needs to be entered first, and so on. You're going to process these customer and insurance documents by reviewing, making sure there's no errors on them, and resolving any errors as needed. Just entering that information after you've checked for errors into the computer system, and then double checking your work to make sure you didn't enter any errors. You're maintaining their data entry requirements, verifying the customer entered insurance information, again by reviewing, correcting, deleting, and re-entering. So if a customer has like duplicate records in the system, you'll have to delete one. You are basically keeping the information up to date, correct, and clean. Now, they are looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED, and at least 1 year of insurance experience is a plus, but not required. Now, pay for this one is going to be a little bit on the lower end, but it's straight data entry. Pay is anywhere from $15.38 an hour up to $19.23 an hour. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything that you're looking for. I do keep a running list, and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed anything that I shared, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.